Today, I'm going to show you how to use the Tidy Up tool in Canva. This tool saves me so much time, so much frustration. Oh my goodness, so much frustration. And I use it almost every single day in Canva. Here I am in just an 8.5 by 11-inch page. And the first thing I'm going to do is hit the L button to add a line. Or you could go to Elements and you can add a line this way. Either way, the totally same thing, but just a shortcut is just hitting the L button on your keyboard. And you can hit it as many times as you want. Okay, so these are all, as you can see, not left align, not right align, not anything like that. So what we can do is we can highlight. So I'm going to start from the top and go down to highlight everything. Then I'm going to go position, and I'm going to come here where it says space evenly and hit tidy up. So what it's going to do is it's going to make them all evenly spaced and that they are all the same left aligned. Now, when we do that, now if we go hit undo, the top line, whatever that one is, the top and then the bottom, that's your anchors. So if you want them to be the entire page, then you want to make sure that they're all within that. So here we have it within this little pink box at the top and then at the bottom. So now we can highlight everything again, position, tidy up, and now it's going to space them evenly like that. So that is how you use the Tidy Up tool in Canva. If you want to see how you can add your image or your products to pictures that make it look like someone's holding your phone or to do mock-ups, check out this video here.